Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can't install JBL Headphones app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to download and install this app but you can't because of this error or any other related error, there are quite a number of steps you can follow to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So in the first method, you need to go to your phone from Play Store. Make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to download and install your app. However, if you couldn't while logged in, then you need to go to your profile icon on your email here, tap on it and scroll down to settings. Under settings, you should look for this option called network preferences, and under network preferences, look for app download preference. So I'll tap on OK. Now go ahead, turn on your data or even Wi-Fi, and now download your app. However, if you can't still download the app, then the problem might be with Google Play Store itself. For that, we need to fix it by going to Google Play Store, long press on Google Play Store app, and you should see app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to force stop Google Play Store so that you stop any activities that might be running in the background, which might be hindering app download. Then you need to clear the app data by tapping on clear data here and then choose clear cache and finally OK. Once you have done this, now you need to start your smartphone and then open Google Play Store, and now I'll tap on search here to enable search and now search for the app. So I'll search for JBL Headphones and then I'll run my search. The app is here. Let's see now if I can install it. And now, as you can see, our app is being downloaded. However, if you still can't download this app at this point, you might want to find out if you have enough space. If you don't have enough space, that might be an issue hindering the download of this app. For that, you'll need to delete unnecessary apps or media files such as photos and videos that you no longer need before you can download and install this app. So that's how you can't install JBL Headphones app. If you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.